Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am cooking some lentils. I'm gonna stew some lentils to eat with some white rice. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in my wok. I have green onions, purple onion, yellow onion, tomato. I also have rosemary, I have thyme. Over here I have carrots, dried allspice berries. I have garlic, red, yellow, and green bell pepper. So I'm gonna put these all to saute in a little bit. I'm gonna turn the stove on and then we go from there. So I'm sauteing everything, because lentils are easy to cook, so not gonna do too long. Then I'm gonna put my dry seasoning in, and I'm gonna be cooking it with coconut milk. I want this to saute for a couple of minutes. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. Okay guys, I'm putting in my dry seasoning. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is a 1/2 teaspoon, so I didn't fill it up. Don't want too much salt. I'm putting in a little bit of cumin. Little bit of paprika, a little bit of Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning, a little cayenne pepper. Who could forget that? And allspice, although I have some berries in there already, some dried berry. I'll still put a little in. And I am going to be putting in my lentils. And then I'm going to add coconut milk. Okay, my lentils. Here we go. I already washed it in the strainer. And this is not hard to cook, so that's why I'm putting it in like this. I don't have to pre-cook it because it's easy to cook. And now I'm going to put a little bit of coconut milk. I'm not putting all of this. It's nice and thick. I'm just putting in some. That's enough. And I am going to cover it up and let it cook. Gonna be so good. I'm gonna cover that up. And I'll come back and show you the progress. Okay guys, let's see the progress. Cooking nicely. Doesn't need any water yet. I'll see if it really needs some water. I'll pour some from my kettle. Okay guys, it's almost done, but it needs a little bit more water, so I'm gonna put that in from my kettle. Okay, that should do the trick. Looks mighty good. Yeah, that amount of water should finish it off. So I'm gonna cover it. Okay guys, let's check on the progress. Wow, it looks so good. Let me see if it's all done. I think it's gonna be ready in another 10 minutes. Okay guys, so my lentils are cooked, so this is the last thing I added. This is some parsley, and I'm gonna be turning it off in a minute. It is absolutely good. Okay, I'm gonna cover it and I'm turning it off. And dinner is almost served. Okay guys, I'm gonna get some food now. My white rice. Now I'm getting some lentils. Alright, and I'm getting some veggies now. Okay guys, here we go. My dinner is ready. Dinner never looked so good. My vegetables, I made the salad yesterday from radish, English cucumber, cabbage, carrot, tomato, and kale. So here we go. This is nice. Come help me eat.